there, welcome back to ThingsLinker. Today I am sharing you how ThingsLinker board will helps you in your industrial project. So today we are operating contactors and we can control the 3-phase induction motor by using this ThingsLinker board and by using the ThingsLinker app. So here I have one control panel. Inside this control panel, there are 6 contactors and they all are connected with 3-phase induction motor. So by operating this contactor, we can turn on and turn off the induction motor. So for operating these contactors, I used 8-channel relay module. I connected 6 relay from this relay module for controlling this contactor. And for operating these relays, I connect our ESP8266 board with this relay. So by using our ThingsLinker app, we can control the relay and relay will control the contactors. So by controlling this contactor, we can turn on and turn off our 3-phase induction motor wirelessly. Okay, now step 1, go to file, then example, then find the ThingsLinker. Inside the ThingsLinker, you can see ThingsLinker TL01-ESP8266 board and open the ThingsLinker relay example. Okay, here it is. This example is for controlling the inbuilt relay of ESP8266 TLE board. So we have to use our 8-channel relay module externally. So we have to add more relay. And first of all, you have to change your authentication from your application, and you have to connect. You have to change your Wi-Fi name and the password for your Wi-Fi. So our ESP8266 board can connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now what you have to change? You have to first provide the all relay names and the pin names which we will use for controlling our 8-channel relay modules, and you have to also provide the widgets name for our switches like V0, V1, V2, V3 and up to V8. So we can control our 8-channel relay module. And then in the loop you have to just provide the low for controlling the relay. Whenever the switch is on, the relay will high, and whenever the switch is off, then the relay will off. So this is the simple example. So by using the simplest code, you can control your contactors. So now uploading time. Your ESP8266 to TL01 board, and you have to connect with your laptop, and now uploading. Don't forget to choose your port, and now uploading. Okay, uploading start. Okay, now our program is uploaded successfully. Now I will remove this. Now I will remove this and connect it with our 8-channel relay module. Okay, now testing time. Our application is ready. See, here is offline. That means our board is not connected to power. So by turning on the switch, I provide the phase and neutral to our panel, and here I connect one 5-volt SMPS circuit. It will provide the 5-volt DC to our board and as well as our relay module. So now you can see our board is now showing online. That means now we can control the relay by using our smartphone and by using the ThingsLinker app. So now I try the first. Okay, now I turning on. Okay, the V1 turn on this contactor. You can see. Now I turning on the V5. if I turn on this contactor. Okay, sorry for the sequence, I don't know the sequence actually. Now the relay, okay, V6 turning on this, now V7, similarly V8, and now the last one is here, it's V9. So the all contactors are running. That means our all motors are, that means we can control the 3-phase induction motor by using our ESP8266 board, and we can control it by using ThingsLinker App. All are off. Once more. બરોબર બે આવવું જોઈએ. હલો મોટા So this is the small demonstration of how you can use our ESP8266 board to make your own IoT project, and how you can use our ThingsLinker app to make your own IoT project easier and simple. So for more information, you can directly visit our website. If you wish to buy our board, you can directly visit our website, you can see. And if you wish to make your own IoT project, you can directly contact us. The all links are provided in the description. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next time.